Hey guys, today I'm going to be doing a silly squishies collection. So, I'm not trying to brag in any sort of way. So before we get started with the video, please click like and subscribe. Because I need more subscribers. Because I want to become famous, and I'm not. So, yeah, let's get started. So first, we got this one. Oh, I'm not taking this one out because it smells really bad. Okay, fine, I'll take it out, but I'm not smelling it. This one smells really bad, but it's still super cute and squishy. It's the hot dog. So, yeah, I'm not smelling it because it just smells good. I just had to yawn, and I always got to yawn. So the next one is the milk. Now the milk. This one smells good, but I'm not really sure what it smells like. So there's 2 strawberries here, so it's strawberry milk. Yeah, it's super squishy. Please. Okay, that one fell out of its packaging. This one is the mint chip shake. Smells like mint. It's really nice. Super cute. It smells really good like mint. So now, I guess I'm going to be like super tired. Next one is this one, which is the blueberry muffin. The blueberry muffin. Smells like blueberry. It's super squishy. Super smells inside, y'all. Okay, this next one is this heart donut. Now I think this is the most rising silly squishies they have, and the softest one. No, it smells like strawberry. So yeah. So that one. Somebody once told me the world was macaroni, so took a bite out of a tree. Okay, I'll do these next 2 together because they need to go together. There are the peanut butter and the jelly. So here's a jelly. It smells like grape and it has an adorable face. It's really cute and it's so texturized and it's amazing. And then the other one is here. Peanut butter and jelly. Big Mac Belly. I like to put them together like this. Squish them. And they come apart while I squish them. So yeah. I forgot what's just. Look at this. Yeah, this is the good fish. They don't smell good. Oh, she's a psycho, a little bit psycho, and then screams my mind. Oh, she's a bit psycho, but left she's right, and then she's screaming out of my mind. I think that's interesting. The next one is the gummy bears. So there's five. Just make sure that I hit all 5. And they're all super cute, and they all smell really good. So yeah, we have the red one, which smells like cherry. This one smells like orange. This one smells like lemon. This one smells like lime. And this one smells like blue raspberry. So yeah, we put them back in their packaging. I'm pretty sure the gummy bear is the only one that does not have resealable packaging. So yeah, just heads up. Whoa, don't fall out. Okay, the final bagged one is the pencil. This one smells like, I don't know, I can't explain this smell. It smells amazing. So here's the squish. Really nice. Oh my god. Oh my, I'm yawning in this video. Okay, now we're moving on to the boxed ones. The first boxed one is the deer cake. This one is probably the hardest one to package and unpackage, but I love it. It smells like chocolate, and when you squish it, it's like matte paint, so it looks really cool. It's super cute with all the little flowers and the little thingies. So yeah, here's the squish. Super nice. So yeah, that's that one. Somebody once told me the back of bone. Okay, so goodness gracious. Okay. Then the next one is the cereal bowl. This one is super cute. It hasn't risen all the way ever since I put it in. It smells like Fruit Loops. I'm legit. It smells like Fruit Loops. Sorry. So here's its squish. It smells super duper good. Okay, I'm not gonna put it in like that because that's why I did it right. Okay, wait. I'm gonna see it. I have 5. That's 3. 5 more to go. So let me just put this away. I'm not going to show you on my ugly feet. Next one is this one. This one is the mason jar squishy. So here. So this one also has matte paint, which is really cool. And yeah. It smells like strawberry lemonade, or lemonade. So here's its squish. Super surprising. So yeah. I call it the mason jar squishy, but I call it the strawberry lemonade squishy. It's the strawberry lemonade squishy. Oh my gosh, why won't it stand up straight? Okay, this next one is the s'mores squishy. So yeah, this one smells like chocolate and cinnamon and bread. It smells amazing. So here it is. It's super cute. Squish it. super soft and slow rising. So yeah. Oh my gosh, I'm so tired. So I'll take it for now. This is the curly fries. I'm not really touching it a lot because it's so greasy that it gets all over my hands and it's really gross. So here it is. I don't know what it smells like, but here's a squish. So that's it. There's that one. My hands are oily now. Okay, we have two more. We'll do this one and then the next last one. This one is a cinnamon roll, and it smells like bread to me. And there's its squish. Super slow. So I'm gonna put it back because that gets so this final one. I will take it out, but I don't really want to. This one they haven't come out, but we went to the actual warehouse. This is the only one that they had there, and I love it so much. It is an icing bag squishy, and it's pink. It smells like strawberry, and this is really wobbly. So yeah. So there you go. Okay, I'm gonna put it back because I'm scared it's gonna uproot it. Because this is the only one in the world that I know of that's ever been made. It was the only one at the warehouse that they had. My goodness. Okay, so that is all my silly squishies. Hope you liked it. Please click like and subscribe and comment down below if you have any silly squishies. Bye!